Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. My name is Jay Impact. In this video, I'm going to share with you my secret strategy that I use to make over $10,000 per month. So please guys, I want you to like this video and comment below, Jay, show me how. So if you want me to share my screen with you and show you the product that I'm selling and my product research, please smash the like button and comment below, Jay, show me how. So I'm going to pick a winner. So I'm going to show you how you can do the same as me, to make money by using Shopify. Please comment below, Jay, show me how. So I'm going to my computer right now and to show you all my secrets, everything that I do to make over $10,000 per month. This month, I'm going to show you right now. Please comment below, Jay, show me how, and I'm going to take a winner so that I will help you build your store and show you everything that you can do to make money online. If you have a cell phone, you have a computer, and you have a good brain, so you can make money online. Let's go inside of my computer, guys. Now listen guys, to sell online you have to get a winning product. How do you find a winning product? I'm going to show you 2 steps that I use personally to find winning product. Okay, the first step you can use to find a winning product, you can go to Google Trends, and you type down your product. Google Trends going to tell you the country, the times that the product is selling. For example, let's write down 1 step hair dryer. This is a product that I used to sell, but right now I'm not selling it. I'm going to give it to you guys. You see guys, as soon as you type your product on Google Trends, so this is the result that you have for the last 12 months. Look at that. You can use those country as Facebook target so that you can make money, guys. You see, let's check it out for the last 7 days. For the last 7 days, you see, if you this product was selling a lot. You see, it has like 75 orders per day. You see, and 20 and 75, like 100 orders per day. You see, you can go, remember guys, you can go to Google Trend and you just write down your product, the product that you want to sell, and Google Trends is going to tell you. The second step is go to Facebook, you log into your account. On the search bar, you write down, let me see if I don't have my account right here. Let me show it to you right here, guys. Okay, I'm showing you my private stuff. You go, for example, you type 1 step hair dryer, and you are going to see a bunch of results. So you can use those results to see. You see, for example, this store is selling this product. This store is selling this product. You click in one of them, and you just wait, guys. You see, there's something magical about Weekends Never Again. You see, this is a store that is selling like, you see, they are doing drop shipping. Okay, but don't forget, you write down right here the product you want to sell. For example, if you want to sell like let me see, poly gel, you just write it down on Facebook or on Google. You just write it down on Facebook, on Google, and you are going to see every page that is promoting this product I mean, you are going to see the last day, I mean, this product has been promoting. You see guys, this is the simple and the easiest way you can do a product research. Now the second thing that you can do guys, not the second thing, I want to give you a bonus. So you create a product, different product niches. You see, for example, I have women's clothing, and I have beauty and health. I can sell healthcare, makeup, skincare, tools, nail. You see those stuff, so that you will be aware. So with Google Trend, I mean, if the product is running or not. Now this is it guys. I'm showing you guys, this is for the last 90 days. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. For example, from August 1 to August 23, how much money I make. It's not a lot, but and somehow this is a no store because the product is going down right now. This product is going down right now. This is the reason why my conversion is a bit low. You see all of my conversion is a bit low. Let me show you. For example, in July I sold a lot. From July 21, from July 1st to 21. Let me show you guys. You see the conversion, the conversion is more. Now this is it guys. I have like 366 orders, and every day that I'm making sale. For example, let me see how many people that I have on my store right now. I'm selling. I have a client who buys, I mean, like more than 56 products. You see, I have 3 people on my store right now, 3 visitors, and I don't have anyone on checkout, but I got 2 people on my store guys. I mean, this is how easy it is guys. I mean, if you want me to show you all my secrets guys, I'm not going to sell you courses, I'm not going to sell you coaching. I want you just comment below, Jay, show me how, and I'm going to pick a winner. I'm going to take a winner, and this winner I will see how, I mean, you set up all of your store and how you make your Facebook advertisement and help you making some money, because I've realized something: service leads to greatness. So if you want to make money guys online, it's easy. As soon as you got a telephone, you have a computer, and you have a mindset. Let me see, during this week, I mean, you see I was selling like crazy, but I mean, from 21 until today, I don't have a lot of sales. I mean, I'm selling overseas guys. This is it guys. I mean, this is how I do my product research. So don't forget guys, you go to Google Trends and you write down your product, or you go to Facebook, you write down your product, so that you will see if this product is running or not. Let me show you a last time guys. You see, for example, this, I sold a lot. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video, and hope seeing you in the last video. I want you to comment, please like the video and comment below, Jay, show me how. So I'm going to show you guys how you can set up your store so that you can make money. Goodbye and see you next. All right.